guys, welcome back to another epic video. Today we're gonna be playing some merging legends. Let's get back to this video. Now look at me merge. I'm so fast, guys. Good job, like lightning. Guys, watch this. Let's rebirth. See how quick I'm leveling up? Look at my circles. Let's go, brother. I be running with your mom on that treadmill. I could run laps around your mom and get a six-pack. Ooh. Let's wrap it up for today's video, guys. Look at that big square.